Snakebook, a comprehensive guide for beginners and professionals. Pushpin 15 plus topics. High voltage interactive with audio bullseye live examples. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose dynamic programming language that focuses on code readability. Python is a high-level, easy-to-learn, powerful, and flexible programming language. Designed to be simple and readable like English, it is the top choice for beginners and experts alike. Checkmark clean code, easy to understand and write. Checkmark open source, free for everyone. Checkmark cross-platform, runs on Windows, Mac, Linux. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose dynamic programming language that focuses on code readability. Brain 1. Easy to learn, simple syntax similar to English. Open Book 2. Readable code, clean and maintainable desktop computer. 3. Cross-platform Windows, Mac, Linux, Android. Lock 4. Open source, free with a massive community. Books. 5. Huge libraries, thousands of ready-to-use modules. Puzzle piece. 6. Multi-paradigm OOP, structured, functional. Globe. 7. Large community, continuous updates and support. High voltage. 8. High performance, fast development and execution. Link. 9. Integrates with others. C, C++, Java, Rust. Building construction. 10. Scalable from small scripts to large systems. Top 10 features of Python: simplicity, power, flexibility, and a vast ecosystem. Python is used in web development, AI, data science, automation, game development, cybersecurity, IoT, and more. Calendar, first release 1991. Bust in Silhouette, creator Guido van Rossum. Pushpin, latest stable 3. 12 plus scroll language type, high level, interpreted. Lock source, open source page facing up. License, PSF license. Desktop computer, runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS. Python was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. The latest stable version is 3.12 plus. It is open source, cross-platform, and free. Python is beginner-friendly, offers a massive job market, is future-proof, easy yet powerful, and enables rapid development. Lists are mutable sequences that can hold multiple items of different types. Hash define a list. Fruits equals apple, banana, orange, hash access an element. Print fruits 0 hash apple hash add an element. Fruits append grape hash remove an element. Fruits remove banana hash modify an element. Fruits 1 equals mango small diamond. Common operations append, remove, pop, len, sort. Lists are mutable, ordered collections that can hold mixed types. Supports append, remove, pop, sort, len. Dictionaries store data as key-value pairs, providing fast lookups. Dictionaries are key-value stores for fast data retrieval. Supports keys, values, items, get, pop. Sets store unique and unordered elements, ideal for mathematical operations. Hash define a set nums equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hash add an element, no duplicates, nums.add, 5 hash unchanged nums. Add 6 hash remove an element nums. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. Supports add, remove, union, intersection, difference. Tuples are similar to lists but immutable, making them safe for constant data. Tuples are immutable, ordered sequences used for fixed data, dictionary keys, and multiple return values. Exception handling allows detecting and managing errors without crashing the program using try, except. Try x equals 10 over 0 hash error except 0 division error, print, error, cannot divide by 0. Except value error, print, value error, else, print, executed successfully, finally, print. This always runs, small diamond common errors, 0 division error, value error, type error, file not found error. Exception handling with try, except, finally blocks catches and handles errors gracefully without crashing. File handling allows permanent data storage and retrieval using open, and with. Hash read a file with open, file.txt, r, encoding equals, UTF-8, as f, data equals f. Read, print, data, hash write to a file with open, file.txt, w, encoding equals, UTF-8, as f, f. Write, hello Python, hash append with open, file.txt, a, encoding equals, UTF-8, as f, f. Write, new line, small diamond modes, r, read, w, write, overwrites, a, append, r plus, read plus write. File I/O in Python uses open, with, r, w, a, modes, and the with statement for safe file handling. Python comes with a rich set of built-in functions for everyday tasks. Python built-in functions include print, len, type, input, int, sum, max, min, sorted, abs, round, enumerate. Libraries are pre-written code collections that extend Python's capabilities. Python libraries include math, random, datetime, os, CSV, JSON, requests. Also NumPy, Pandas, Django, TensorFlow, etc. Snake Python is the language of the future. It is easy and powerful, used in web development, artificial intelligence, data analysis, automation, and cybersecurity. Light bulb consistent practice is the key to mastery. OpenBook 15 plus topics high voltage interactive with audio bullseye live examples. Python is easy, powerful, and versatile. Used in web, AI, data science, automation, cybersecurity. Practice is the key to mastery. Party Popper presentation complete. We hope this guide helped you understand Python better. Speech Balloon. Share this presentation with your colleagues. Books. Keep learning and coding. Snake Python 3. 12 plus book 16 slides speaker audio narration. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helped you understand Python. Keep learning and practicing.